Do you need money? If the answer to this question is yes, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you websites where you can make money from the comfort of your home. If this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Don't even touch the dial. Yes, so while you're introducing yourselves, let me go ahead and introduce yes, if you're new to my channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see every single one of you, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. So let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm based here in California. I'm also a fashion designer, and I drop 4 videos on this channel every week. So make it a day to join me right here on this channel. You know I've always got you guys covered. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So today I'm going to be introducing you to ways by which you can make money from the comfort of your home. Just like most people nowadays, you're probably inseparable from your smartphone, and this is because these devices actually empower us to do pretty much anything and keep us entertained continuously. From just a small device, do you know you can send messages globally, check the weather, look up information, make payments, and the list goes on. Guess what? What if I told you that you can also make money from your phone? Yes, so I know while it requires a little bit of effort, there are several great ways to actually make real money while using your phone. Yes, so I promise you won't see any shady opinions. So you know what? So guys, I'm going to be spilling all the tea on how to actually make money from the comfort of your home. So come with me, guys. Let's go. So today I'll be sharing only the best tips on how to make legit money from your phone. So let's get started. Do you know that you can participate in consumer surveys and market research? Yes. Do you know that many companies are willing to pay for consumer opinions and feedbacks, and there are numerous websites and apps that have surveys that you can share your thoughts on various products, services, and brands. For example, apps like brandedsurveys.com or inboxdollars.com, they pay users to complete market testing surveys. This process is pretty straightforward, and companies seek feedback regularly from regular customers on their potential products or services. Now, these companies enlist the help of survey companies to collect this information. Guess what? Consumers like you will fill out the survey, answer questions, or provide feedback. Participants can get paid in cash, gift cards, PayPal vouchers, or other bonuses. The second method is to use gig apps. Yes, when thinking about how to make money from your phone, many people probably immediately picture apps like Uber or Lyft. No doubt, these apps are actually some of the most popular ways to make money on your phone. Ride shares, deliveries, and other services can all be arranged from a simple app on your phone. It's definitely a way to earn a living using nothing but your phone and usually your car. The money you make from this type of apps usually depend on the app that you choose and how much work that you put in. Now, some Uber drivers can make a full-time livable wage on the app, and for others, these gig apps are a reliable source of income on the side. Either way, gig apps are one of the most reliable methods for how to make money from your phone. And if you don't have a car, check out gig apps for freelancers like Fiverr. Now, this service allows freelancers to showcase their expertise in various areas like graphic design, writing, programming, marketing, and so much more. Fiverr provides a wide range of categories and a large user base, making it a viable option for freelancers looking for side gigs or full-time income. Now, freelancing opportunities is something that you should look into. Another way to make money is to dive into content creation. Yes, using social media platforms. Yes, like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and what have you. So you can become a content creator or influencer, and it can be a lucrative way to earn money using your phone. So whether you have a knack for photography, video editing, or creating engaging content, there are numerous opportunities to monetize your skill. So by building a solid online presence and growing a dedicated following, collaborate with brands, promote products or services, and earn income through sponsored posts, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. Guess what? You can also play games to make money. Now, there are certain apps that actually pay users to play games online. So apps like Misplay offer various game types where players can collect in-game rewards. Now, these rewards can then be exchanged for real-world prices. Again, this is a fun way to make extra cash during your downtime. Another way to make money is to take part in user testing. So similar to taking online surveys, most companies will actually pay users to test out their websites or services online. Now, the user testing app is an example of a company that does this. Now, user testing connects its users with services that suit their personal preferences. Users can then test out the products or services and earn rewards along the way. Guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure that you check out these websites and begin to cash out from today. If you have not registered on Fiverr, what are you waiting for? And you have services that you can trade for money, in exchange for money. What are you waiting for? They hire people from all over the world. So whether you are in Nigeria, Ghana, USA, Canada, UK, Botswana, South Africa, China, Dubai, anywhere in the world, you can apply you can apply on Fiverr. Yes, you can apply on Fiverr from anywhere in the world. So what are you waiting for? And check out those other websites, apps that I've shared with you guys in this video. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share with your friends. I also want to say big thank you to my Patreon members. Yes, thank you so much, guys. If you want to join my Patreon membership, find the link in the comments as well as in the description. Part of the perks of becoming a Patreon member is that you can book a free consultation with me. That is, you can see me one-on-one. Yes, you can book a free consultation with me. If you book a consultation with me and you're not a Patreon member of my channel, I will respectfully have to decline the request, because my Patreon members actually take priority over everyone else. So I want to say big thank you once again to you guys. If you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, please let me know. Leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single to do this research for you guys. And if you also have a question for me, please ask away. Like I always say, there are no stupid questions on my channel. Feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Also note, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. And of course, thankfully, I have taken the pains to do the research for you guys. I will be your researcher, your unpaid free researcher, of course. I'll always research all these websites and I'll share with you guys on this channel. So make sure that you join the community, like this video, join my channel, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with your friends. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Like this video and share with your village members, your church members, your platform members, your church members, your mosque members, your enemies, and everybody in between. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please, by all means, with my permission, go so far that you can't even hear them anymore.